Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Heather's Corner. Today I will be unboxing this beautiful Triumph machine. It's a cover stitch overlock machine and I cannot wait to use it. So let me show you the table first. So this is the table that my Triumph is going to go on. It's really nice. It's a veneer vinyl table that is water and scratch resistant. It has a little garbage chute right here to put the scraps in. It came with extra bags. It has some indents in the wood to put your notions and things. This is nifty. The shelf lifts up and you can put cones of thread in here upside down. Let me get one. So you have storage. So I believe this machine takes 8 cones of thread. And you won't ever hurt your fingers because you could drop it and it's a slow release. And if I go to the back, there is a hole for the cord to the machine to come out, and I can put it around, and there's lots of space. I think it's pretty nifty. So now let's get to unboxing the machine. Woo! Here's the box. Let's open it. First you got are the reference guides, so you know how to thread it. So it is a little bit complicated. The registration, the manual. Oh, the manual has a spiral binding. The other ones don't. Okay, so we got the knee pedal. If you don't know about the Triumph, you can attach this and hit this with your knee so you can lift the presser foot, and you can use both hands while sewing. So nifty. Have one of the little table things. We got foam discs. Don't know what that's for. Power cord. All the little attachments for the threads. It's in a little snap bag. Beautiful. Cleaning supplies. You can never have too many tweezers or little brushes. Pedal. Spool holder. Ooh. Oh, the cover. One giant piece of styrofoam. Ah, yes. The machine. Here's the machine. It's a cover stitch serger. It is the Babylock Triumph that I purchased at the close to home near me. And I also purchased a table, which I just showed you. So it's going to sit perfectly in this table. The table is actually made for this model or the Ovation. So that's pretty neat. It's like a little niche product. Here's an up close and personal view. So there are lots of things in the machine, and it might take me a little while to learn how to thread it. Oh, I didn't even notice it had speed control. And there's different needle positions and different needles. I believe this takes like 3 needles. It can take up to 3 needles, and it takes a special kind of needle. The ELX 705. Got 2 of them in 2 different sizes. This beauty. But as you can see here, there's like 2 needle holders, and so that you can do chain stitch and overlock. And what's really cool, I mean the whole machine's cool, but it has jet air threading, so I don't have to go do like my other sergers, which can take a while and be painful. No, I really like them. Oh, look, that has a needle reminder there in case you forget. So you just kind of push push this and the air starts sucking, and then you push the thread through. That's what that looks like on the inside. And you open this door, and here's all the mechanics. And there's also jet air threading for the needles too. See in the back, it takes 8 cones. You just have to add on this 3-piece one. Clips in. Got a little accessory holder here. And then it's gonna sit. There we go. And if you turn it on, really bright light on the table in the sewing area. Even better than my brother's that have LEDs. Overall, I cannot wait to use this machine. This is a bag of feet. It comes with tons of them. I think it's almost 30 feet. Here are the tags. It's genuine Babylock, nothing off-brand here. It has the list of feet that are inside, which is pretty cool. Oh, so it's 29 of them. Let me open it up. It's like a little book of feet. Turn a page and there it is. What I really like is that it tells you what it is and what models it's for, because sometimes I buy those non-brand feet and then I don't know what it is and I don't know how to use it or what machine it fits. But this is really neat. Serger accessories. All you could ever want for a serger inside this case. Even as guides. And then we have instructions. Woo-woo. Thanks so much for checking out my video on me unboxing the Triumph. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if this is a machine for you. Comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye, y'all!